In this video, I'm going to show you how you can watch live television from your phone without signing up, no gimmicks. All you got to do is download and start watching right away. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Apps That Rule, where I bring you tips, tricks, and how-tos for your phone. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell while you're at it. That way you'll know when a new video drops. It's been a couple months since I've cut the cable. Everything in my house, the only thing I have is internet now, and I've been loving it. So I figured I'd do a little video for you guys to let you know that you really don't need cable. Set aside the Netflix and the Hulus and all the streaming services that you have to pay for, which are fine, and I have those things. You can go on your phone and literally watch cable television for free. And I'm gonna show you a couple apps. There's also movies you can do on demand and things like that. There's no sign-ups or anything like that, no catches, no monthly payments, nothing. I'm gonna show you. Let's jump into the apps right now. All right, so the first app that we're gonna jump into is called Pluto TV. And as you can see, we have horror showing. Saw 3 is on, Saw 4. You can binge watch everything. You have at the top here different types of things. You have movies, you have actual Pluto TV. You could go into movies, like I said. You could jump into entertainment, news, binge watch, which is really cool. I don't know if you guys like Cops, or you can watch all these different MTV type reality shows. If you're into that stuff, I'm not really into that. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. This is Pluto TV. All you simply have to do is go into the Apple Store app and download this app. It cranks up right away and you have no sign-ups, nothing. You come right to this screen and this is what it is. It also has, if you see at the bottom, it has video on demand where you can actually go in and you can watch movies and TV shows and everything on demand whenever you want, just like any streaming service. Again, except the difference is you don't have to pay for anything on here. Check out Pluto TV. It's awesome. I don't even know why I didn't think of checking this out before. Why didn't I come across it before? All right, so the next app I want to jump into, it is the second app and the last one that I found. I haven't used it a ton, but it's called Tubi. It's also one you do not have to sign up for if you don't want to. You can sign up. As you can see, it's still free TV, free movies, free registration. You don't have to pay for anything. There is one thing about signing up with them is you can register to build your queue and continue watching where you left off, plus some other features. If you go in and download the app, it's the same thing. You're gonna open it up, no signing up. It's gonna give you all this different stuff. You can go into the home screen, as you can see here. They'll show you all their recently added stuff. You can also go into TV dramas and see all this and what they recommend, basically after you start watching for a while and everything like that. I haven't really used this app in particular as much as I have Pluto TV, but as you can see, you can go in here and find different shows based off of the genre, or even like the certain company, like A&E or whatever, Arts and Entertainment, crime TV, documentaries, drama, everything like that. Let's go into drama. It's gonna break everything down. You can go in here and it's on demand is what the difference is. That's what's the really cool part. There's so much stuff like in here. And like I said, it is 100% free. Don't have to sign up for anything. You go in, you download the app, the Tubi app, the Pluto TV app, and it's free. You just start watching right away. It's like, I don't know. If you don't have this on your phone, then I don't know what to say. Also, the cool part is you don't need Wi-Fi or anything technically to watch this stuff because it's on your phone. So while you're on the go, you could be watching TV, cable TV right there, live TV, on-demand movies, things like that. Also, the really cool part is you can actually go on your phone, and if you have a smart TV, Apple TV, Chromecast, things like that, you can actually beam the TV show that's on your phone to your actual big TV, set the phone down, it's like you're watching cable TV. You even can use your phone as a remote control while you're at it and flip through everything. It's just the same as cable television, except it's free. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you've ever heard of Pluto TV or Tubi, the apps. Let me know if you have them on your phone or if you never even heard about them and you're going to go check them out right after you watch this video. I left a playlist right here for you guys to watch, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.